Hey guys, welcome back. So to tell you what I got as my 11th item, let's take a look, make our way over to the rear. Okay, I gotta open up the tailgate. And yeah, ignore the stuff that's inside, of course. Okay, my 11th item is actually the Molle rails or Molle panels right there. I got both the side panels and the rear panel separately, so I'll show you what they are. Yeah, that's my 11th item that I got for my 2020 Jeep Gladiator Sport. Stay tuned for my 12th item. All right, thanks for joining me. Take care. Peace.